Love Scarborough is a campaign by Scarborough Health Network shedding light on healthcare inequities within the city. In fact, while Scarborough represents 25% of the population of Toronto, they only receive 1% of all hospital donations. And joining us this morning to tell us all about their fundraising campaigns and the importance of equitable healthcare access are Ria Ganesh, VP of Philanthropy of Scarborough Health Network Foundation, and Chantel Wicks, a grateful patient of Scarborough Health Network. Good morning. So great to have you here. We're going to tell you how you can get a hold of these T-shirts in just a second. But Ria, let's talk a little bit about the campaign goals. It's a big number you're looking for.
Yes. So my connection with Scarborough Health Network is when my parents first moved here, Scarborough was their home. I was born at Scarborough General, and I'm very fortunate to be the Vice President of Philanthropy at the Foundation. And we're just so excited about our Love Scarborough campaign. We launched it a year ago, has had tremendous success, very grateful to our donors that have supported it. But we're not done yet. We have a $200 million campaign, and that campaign is to raise funds to improve our facilities so it matches the care that we provide our patients on an everyday basis.
And Chantel, you're here right now as well, and you have been somebody who has benefited tremendously from the care, and you're also a local gal, so this is a really, important cause for you as well to support.
Absolutely. So I was diagnosed with a debilitating chronic illness that impacts me on a negative way daily, both physically and mentally. About 10 years ago, I found myself in the emergency department at Scarborough General Hospital, and it was that visit that I was introduced to Dr. Elaine Young, who's actually now the Chief of Staff at SHN. She went above and beyond the call of duty as my gastroenterologist. I was in my mid-20s at the time. I was extremely sick. I was afraid. I didn't really understand the severity of what was happening to my body. And Dr. Young and the rest of the SHN staff really provided me with exceptional quality care. Dr. Young was and always will be my first champion. And to add, I'm a Scarborough native. I was born and raised in Scarborough. I've taught in Scarborough, obviously receiving exceptional care in Scarborough. And that's, many of the reasons as to why the Love Scarborough campaign is so important to me and dear to my heart. SHN helped me through some of the most difficult times in my life, and I will be forever grateful. And that's why it's so important for me to rally together my friends and family to help support me in raising funds for Scarborough Health Network and attending SHN ZOO Day on June 11th.
Okay, so we're going to talk about that in just a second. But Ria, when we hear Chantel talking about that, I have to think this is part of the reason you want to really provide access and provide equal access to so many people is because of that passionate display of expression of what Scarborough Health Network has done and the impact it makes within the community and helping that community.
And that's why we're excited about launching our first ever Scarborough Health Network ZOO Day on June 11th at the Toronto Zoo, which is an icon in Scarborough. And it was an opportunity for us to celebrate the diversity in Scarborough, celebrate with our community, to come out, walk. You get T-shirts, you get your T-shirt. And we have a Love Scarborough Festival after the walk, which really celebrates the diversity and lots of food and everything.
So you get T-shirt, you get lunch, easy to register.
Yeah, shnzooday.ca.
Perfect. And you get the T-shirt, and it's great. Thank you so much for being here. And again, for more details, you can go to SHNZooDay.ca. Coming up next on VT, we are celebrating you with your birthday celebrations. Those are up next. And